Start my class. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? How are you all? I want your answers. How are you all?
Yeah, fine.
How's your day gone? It's going, in fact. How's your day going? कैसा गुजर रहा है दिन? Savika, how are you? Okay, dear. Now you have to bring your book along with you. Right now, as I told you to please bring your book and open chapter number 7. That is formatting text in Word 2013. Formatting text in Word 2013, page number 80. We will discuss the topics of
Saying
Sorry?
Sir, my electricity is gone, so I can't listen you.
Can't listen me. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Walaikum assalam ke saath.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, my electricity is gone, so I can't listen you.
Oh, but you are here.
So you can repeat the question. What are you saying?
I'm just saying that bring your book and open chapter number 7, formatting text in Word 2013.
Miss,
Teacher, chapter
Yes.
number 7.
Yes.
मिस बुक का काम है
Yes. The book nahi hai.
मिस मेरे पास बुक नहीं
Sabika,
है
no problem. If you don't have book, doesn't matter. No problem at all. Have book, don't worry, please. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Zahan, you're
Teacher,
right.
this page.
Yes, this page. Okay. I'm just going to explain you these topics with the help of sharing screen. Okay. जो भी हमारी इसमें यहाँ पर चीज है वो आपको मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखाऊंगी ताकि आपको इजीली समझ आए. Okay. Now everyone know that what is formatting. Formatting is a process of changing general setting into your favorite setting. For example,
मिस पेज
page number 80.
80
In the formatting, you change the appearance of the text as you want to change, according to your need. Okay. I'm just muting you all because so many participants are making noise. Okay. Now, now listen to me. Formatting means to change the appearance of the text according to your choice. Okay. If you want to change the text, if you want to change and highlight the text with the color, so you can do it. That is called a formatting. If you want to change the style of the written work, it is called formatting. Okay. The default setting always appears when you open the screen. Whenever you open the screen, the default setting has been set. Yes, Jafar, let me unmute you. Yes, unmute yourself and then.
टीचर हमें फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट इन वर्ड 2013 को का चैप्टर कॉपी में बनाना है.
बनाना आपको जस्ट समझना है और फिर मैं आपको इसकी जो वर्कशीट प्रोवाइड की हुई है आपके वर्कशीट पैड पे आपको इस पे काम करना है. दैट्स इट. ओके. इज दैट क्लियर?
यस.
Now let me mute you, beta. Okay. Okay, dear. So the formatting means whenever you change the default setting, the appearance of text, whenever you change the appearance of text according to your choice, it is called the formatting. Okay. How we do the formatting? Now the second topic is font. You all know how we change the form. Character formatting किस तरह की जाती है? Let me share the screen and then I'll explain you in the practical with the practical explanation that how we do this. Let me first disable you all and then fine. All program, but I'm directly open it by using this for 2030. You all know how to directly open it and how to otherwise open it. This is my word screen. I have disabled you, but before I disable you all, किसी ने annotate कर दिया था. That is so bad, and it must be some naughty person. Okay, fine. Now please listen to me. How we do the character formatting? For example, if we want to do any formatting, how we do it? Let me check that. Yeah, here is my written example. ठीक है, इससे यहाँ पे करूँगी. Okay, Nurul Hadi, you want to ask anything? Yes, Nurul Hadi, unmute your mic. Yes, ma'am.
कंट्रोल ए करें, कंट्रोल ए.
वो तो आपकी पूरी की पूरी कंट्रोल ए से आपका पूरा सिलेक्शन हो जाता है, राइट? आई नो, आई हैव टोल्ड यू.
टीचर जहाँ पे टीचर आपका जो ए रेड हुआ हुआ है ना, वहाँ पे जाए. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे आपको ए के नीचे जो रेड वाली लाइन दिख रही है वहाँ पे जाए. इसको
अच्छा, दिस वन.
टीचर पहले इसको हाईलाइट क्यों कर दें? टीचर ये जो ए है ना जिसमें नीचे रेड वाली, और टीचर येलो पे जाए, येलो पे जाए.
जी. This is called highlighting. I know. I'm just coming on that topic.
टीचर इसके पास जो है, जिसके एक कैपिटल ए के नीचे जो लाइन.
This is for the background, okay? And this A is for the text, okay? We change the color of the text by selecting this A option. Is that clear? Okay. Yes, Kissa, what you want to ask? Yes, Kissa, hurry up. Yes, ask you. See?
About
I cannot hear you.
we have to mail you.
What you have to mail? You just have to submit all the homework in the portal. You don't have to mail me anything.
Okay.
11 chats are here. What happened? Why you are chatting here, beta?
No, miss, I'm saying you we have to mail it out for you.
No, you don't have to mail me. Okay, now listen to me. Character formatting. Character formatting means display text in a certain manner in which the character consists of the text properties. For example, if I want to change this character, I will just select it by Control A, or I can double click or triple click anywhere in the paragraph, so it select the whole paragraph. I just triple click this paragraph, you can see that it is selected. If I want to select this document option, I double click on this document option, it will be selected. For example, I would like to change the font. So first I will select the whole by using the Control A option. Control A option, I have selected all. Okay. Sabika, can you mute yourself, please? Okay. Control A. Control A, select whole document. Now I'm going to change the font size. Going for the font size, here is the font option. I'm changing the font size by using this. You can see 18 kar diya maine, right? And now the style has been changed by pressing this one button. And I'm selecting Algerian. I can also use Arabic typing. You can see this Arabic typing font over here. Okay? It looks so good. Now, after that, I can also select this Microsoft Word 2013. I can go for the bold option. I can press this bold option. I can press this italic option. And I can also press this underline option. So you can see this Microsoft Word 2013 has been selected with the bold, italic, and underline. You can also use disable this option by using the keyboard as well. आप इधर से जाके भी क्लिक करेंगे तो वो बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन खत्म कर देगा. अगर आप इसको जाके कीबोर्ड से कंट्रोल बी तो ये बोल्ड कर देगा. कंट्रोल बी दोबारा दबाएंगे तो ये अनबोल्ड कर देगा. कंट्रोल यू इज यूज फॉर अंडरलाइन. कंट्रोल यू अगेन to delete the underline. Control I for the italic. Control I again for removing the italic option. Okay, so we can do it by using the mouse and by using the keyboard as well. We have the shortcut key to bold the character is Control B. We have the shortcut key to control the italic is Control I, and we have the shortcut key to change the underline is by using the underline we can do Control U. The character will be underlined, and then we press the control. When we press the control U again, so it will delete the underline. Or we can also just selected it. We can press it. It will be underlined. It will be italic, and again it will be bold. Is that clear to you? This is the character formatting. Now I'm going for the word art. For example, if I want to use the word art, I just have to click this one. Whenever I select this one, ये देखिए, this was the selected text. मैं आपको फिर से करके दिखाती हूँ. हमारा जहाँ पर भी कर्सर होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये हेल्प पे कर्सर है, and I'm going for this character word art option, and I'm using this one. You can see it turns into the word art option. ये दिख रहा है आपको, helps green हो गया. Because we don't have to select it, we just have to press the cursor on that. Efficiency लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे मेरा cursor है. Now I'm going to change it in this option. You can see this efficiency has been turned into this word art. आप देख सकते हैं ये इस वाले word art पे change हो गया. ठीक है? Understand? For backing it, you can again press the Control U, and you can also Control Z, and you can also press the undo button. Undo button दबाने से ये वापस अपनी previous वाले option पर आ गया. Okay? Okay. I hope you understand, beta. What I'm explaining you, I hope everyone understand. And if you want to ask any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Now, this is the character formatting option by the font. Okay. We are using this. And जो जाफर ने बताया था, we can select this whole paragraph and go for this option. It is called text highlighting color. We can go and just select it. It can be highlighted. Okay. And if I want to change the font color, the character color, we go for this automatic option. It will show you the black one, and if I want to change it to the red one, we can also go and select it. You can see it is selected by the green color, and the font is changed by the red color. Okay, same as that I'm using for this. So by selecting this, I'm going and change the highlighting color by this, and now I'm going to change the font color by again selecting it, and the जो character color है वो मैं यहाँ पर for example blue कर रही हूँ, so you can easily see that. Okay, these characters have been highlighted and changed by the different color. Okay, fine. Now come for the new text effect. ये आप पेज नंबर 83 और 82 पर देखिए. You can see we have done these both topics in over here. हमने highlighting करके text के effects को change किया by using, हमने इसको select करके यहाँ ये इसको text effect change करके, ये वाला option जो हमारे पास है जिसको मैंने A करके open किया था, it will change the effects of the text. We can also use, अच्छा, let me unhighlight it, then you can easily see that. Now I'm selecting this MS Word. Okay, यहाँ पर जाकर मैंने इसका effect change करना है. Effect change करने के बाद reflection पे गए हम. Reflection पे जाने के बाद यहाँ पे मैंने इसका reflection remove कर दिया. Right? You can see this MS Word has the reflection at the downside. It is also visible to you. How we do this? We just selected it and go for the text effect option. Go for the reflection. If you want to say, go for the glow option. We can also select the glow option, and we can also do this glow option. It will be visible. ये देखिए यहाँ पे आपका glow option में change हो गया effect. ठीक है? तो ये सारे effects हम यहाँ change करते हैं. Please unmute your mic, Kanza. Unmute your mic. Sorry, mute your mic. Kabika, mute your mic. Mute your mic. Hurry up. Mute your mic, Lita. Okay, after this text effect, come for the page number, come for the highlighting text. This is 84 page. Before starting this topic, I already told you how to highlight the text. You just have to select the text and go for the highlight option. This one is the highlight option. You can just go and change the highlight color of your selected text. Okay, and same as that, you can also removing the highlighting color by again selecting this one and go for this and no color पे change कर देंगे आप, ये highlighting हमारा remove हो जाएगा. Same as that, इस पे क्लिक करेंगे, इधर जाएंगे और इसको आप none पे भी कर सकते हैं या आप इसको इस पे भी कर देंगे तो ये normal color पे आ जाएगा. Okay. Then align text. Align text left, right. Page number 85. The topic is align text. How we change the alignment? We have 4 options of alignment. Over here in the paragraph group, you can see these 4 alignment options. Over here, here is a left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. We have the shortcut options of this all. For the left align, we have Control L. For the center line, we have Control E. For the right align, we have Control R. For the justify, we have Control J. It is also visible in the fast forward option of page number 85 in your book. Okay, you can see that how we do the selection of and how we change the alignment. I'll show you in the practical that how we do this. I have selected this text for example, and I'm going for it is for the left alignment, right alignment. It is the right now. It is in the left alignment. ये देखिए आपने select करा, आपने देखा यहाँ पे left alignment select हुआ है. It means ये जितना भी text लिखा हुआ है कि left alignment पे select है. If I want to change it in the center line, I just pressed it. You can see it will turn in the center line. जब भी हम कोई poem written करते हैं तो हम center line में लिखते हैं ताकि हमारी जितनी भी poem है वो center line में वापस खूबसूरत लगे. या फिर जस्टिफाई में लिखते हैं. जस्टिफाई लिखने का मतलब है आपको जो पूरी कॉर्नर्स की लाइन है ये वाली और ये वाली एक ही इसमें आए, ना ये यहाँ से आगे हो ना ये यहाँ से पीछे. फर्क देखिए, जस्टिफाई में आपकी किस तरह से आ गई थी और ये आपने लेफ्ट अलाइन किया तो किस तरह हो गई. और राइट अलाइन जो है वो हम उर्दू वर्डिंग्स के लिए यूज करते हैं ज्यादातर क्योंकि वो लेफ्ट राइट से स्टार्ट होता है तो ये राइट लाइन हो जाता है. ठीक है, दिस इज लेफ्ट अलाइन, दिस इज सेंटर लाइन, this is right align and this is justified. Let me select the whole text and then I'll show you again. This is the right alignment, center alignment, left alignment. Sorry. This is the left alignment. It is from the left hand. Yes, it is a left alignment. Then the right alignment is here, center alignment is here, and justify means it comes in a same manner. Okay. So right now we are using the left alignment. Okay, these are the fonts, these are the alignment which is changed in the paragraph group. ये paragraph group है home tab का, यहाँ से हम इसके alignment change करते हैं. Okay, how we apply borders and shadings? What is that? We have to for applying border and shading we have to go for this option. Here is the paragraph option. Paragraph group के अंदर यहाँ पे हमारे पास border का option होता है. यहाँ पे हम उसको select करते हैं, बॉर्डर्स और शेडिंग पे क्लिक करते ही ये वाला विंडो ओपन हो जाता है. ओके, इफ आई सेलेक्ट दिस वन द बॉक्स एंड आई प्रेस इट, ये देखिए जो भी हमारा टेक्स्ट था, जो भी हमारा पैराग्राफ था, जहाँ पे हमने अपना कर्सर रखा हुआ था वो कर्सर आपका बॉक्स के अंदर आ गया. लेट मी डू दिस एंड शो यू अगेन. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सेलेक्टिंग दिस होल टेक्स्ट, गोइंग फॉर दिस ऑप्शन, क्लिकिंग द बॉर्डर एंड शेडिंग ऑप्शन एंड सेलेक्टिंग द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. And also the 3D box, we can also select the 3D box. Let me show you how we do this. First of all, here is a selected style. What I have selected right now, it is in the blue box, but I am changing the style by using this one. ठीक है, now I am selecting it. आप देख सकते हैं ये 3D style में आपका border बन गया selected text के ऊपर. Okay, this is how we apply the border. ठीक है, border बनाने के लिए select करा text आपने, सेलेक्ट करने के बाद ये बॉर्डर के ऑप्शन में गए, बॉर्डर और शेडिंग पे जाकर यहाँ से अपनी मर्जी का 3D सेलेक्ट करें, कस्टम करें, शेडो वाला करें, बॉक्स वाला करें. यहाँ से स्टाइल चेंज करेंगे, उसका कलर चेंज करना है तो यहाँ से करेंगे. एंड देन विड्थ मीन्स इसकी चौड़ाई चेंज करनी है तो यहाँ से चेंज करके और फिर जब आप ओके करेंगे तो इट विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. ओके, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 88. This is page number 88. You can see the border have been applied over there. After this topic, our chapter have been finished. Now I am taking your question, and before taking your question, you have to. I am just giving you the homework to read the chapter and do page number 90 as your homework in the book work. You don't have to write in the copy. You just have to read the tricky terms, memory bites, and do exercise number 1 in your book. It is your homework which you have to submit till the next class. Okay? You have to finish exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Before doing this, you have to read the tricky term, memory bites, and if you want to revise the whole lecture, you can. Okay? You can easily do this. This is your homework. Now I'm unmuting you all and stop sharing the screen, and I'm taking your question, whatever you want to ask. Now please let me unmute you all. Now unmute you all and ask a question regarding this topic. We have finished this chapter right now, and you have to do it. You have to do the book work, and then I'll give you the project or the work which you have to do in the next class. Next class में ये आपको पूरा practical करके दिखाऊंगी. 0 term के दोनों chapter आज finish हो गए बेटा. You have to do the book work of both
Excuse
chapters.
me, miss.
Submitted in the G software. Yes, Abdul.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
Miss, is this homework?
Book work of page number 90 is your homework. I will upload it in the software as well. Okay? That is software में भी डाल
Okay.
देती हूँ.
Okay, thank you, miss.
You're welcome. Any question, beta? Please ask me. Arya,
No.
the topic समझ आए. You know how to make border. You know how to change the text highlighting color. You know how to change the text. You know how to add the word art option. आपको पता है ना वहाँ पे text का effects कैसे change कर सकते हैं. You must know the text effects option. Yes, Nurul Hadi, ask me beta.
मैंने किया हुआ है.
क्या हुआ सारा? Okay. Yes, Sabika.
Highlight
Yes, Sabika.
जी नहारी
Yes, Sabika. Tell me.
मिस इस तरह से हम अपने कंप्यूटर में प्रैक्टिकल कर लें.
बिल्कुल कर लें. मैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रैक्टिकल भी बताऊंगी हमें क्या क्या करना है. आपको लास्ट टाइम में वर्क दिया था मैंने माय स्कूल पे लिखने का. हाउ मेनी हैव यू डन? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन द होमवर्क?
मिस मैंने खाली 1 लाइन लिखी है.
व्हाई वन
Excuse me,
लाइन?
miss.
यस.
मिस अभी मैं
Miss?
कल आज कर लूंगी पूरा. फिर मैं
You have
आपको
1 day more
यूनिवर्सिटी
option.
पे भेज दूंगी.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, beta. I'm getting you. Just listen to me, please. I'm giving you 1 more day to complete your homework of school, practical work of school day and the work. Okay, I'll check it
मिस
tomorrow.
हमें यूनिवर्सिटी पे भेजना है पिक्चर खींच के.
University. Yes.
Miss?
Yes, Kabir. Yes, beta. Yes, Kabir.
Miss, I was asking why I was absent at the few classes.
Okay, if you want to see my lectures, it is uploaded in the software. You can go and just see the work. Okay, what we have done, what
Okay.
the lecture we have done. Okay, you can just go and go through that. Yes, beta. Yes, Abika.
मिस हम लोग हाईलाइट हेडिंग को नहीं यहाँ पे पूरी
Beta, as you wish. जो भी हमने आज पढ़ा है, if you want to apply it in the practical, you can. Yes.
और मैंने पूरा ऐसे आपको करके दे दिया है माय स्कूल पे.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else? Any question, Jafar? Yes, Nurul Hadi. Yes, Nurul Hadi.
पूरी 10 लाइन टीचर ने तो आपको पूरी 10 लाइन लिख के भेज दिया था.
Okay, I'll check it because the submission date is the last date of submission is tomorrow, so that's why I was waiting for the
तो
maximum
सबमिट करना
homework.
है.
University पे बेटा, university पे. Yes, Jafar, unmute your mic and ask the question. Yes, Jafar. What do you want to ask, Jafar? Hurry up, ask me. I'm not getting your voice here.
टीचर एक्सरसाइज तो मैंने आपको भेज दिया है.
No, बेटा, this chapter, ये वाले chapter, page number 90 exercise आज करनी है. Page number 90.
ओके.
Okay? Your homework is to complete page number 9 in the book and send me the picture. Okay? Now we are running out of the time. Please, if you want to ask any question, do ask me. Jafar, I am not getting your voice. Please unmute your mic and ask the question. I think your Nazra block has been started, so I have to leave the class in 1 minute. So please ask me. Hurry up. If you have any query, yes, Jafar, I am waiting for your question.
टीचर मैंने आपको ना हमारे स्कूल पे भेज दिया है.
Very good. I know, Jafar, you are the good student, and I have seen your homework on time. This is very good. Nurul, Hadi, Kanza, Kiska, you, I have seen their homework. Aras ka homework dekha hai, Nurul, Hadi. So I'm so happy to see that.
Miss, I don't have any question.
Don't have any question? So we have finished the 2 chapter which is included in our syllabus of zero term. We have finished these 2 chapters. First you have to do the book work of this chapter which is on page number 90, and then I will give you the worksheet work in the next class. Before coming to the next class, just to complete the book work, read the chapter thoroughly, and then we will do the worksheet, and after that we will, and just beside that we will do the practical as well. Okay, we will do the practical work and the worksheet work in the next class. Till then, revise the book, read these 2 chapters. If you have any query regarding these 2 chapters, I am here to serve you. I am here to explain you practically and thoroughly everything. Okay.
कभी लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या करे जा रहे हैं.
You just leave everything. There are 72 messages over
कबीर है
there.
टीचर, कबीर है, आरास है और हसन है.
40 minutes.
Okay, dear, we are running out of the time. We have to leave the class. See you in the next class. Stop talking. See you in the next class. I'm leaving the meeting. Inshallah, please see the portal and do complete the book work. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Bye, miss.
Bye.